Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a Realme mobile. You will learn common methods like Wi-Fi Direct, dedicated manufacturer apps, and direct universal serial bus cable connections. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful setup for your printing needs. Get ready to print your important files and cherished memories with ease. This guide helps you choose the right approach for your specific printer and mobile device. This method often provides quick, direct printing without needing a separate network. First, ensure your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct. Most modern models include this feature. Activate Wi-Fi Direct from your printer's control panel, typically under Network Settings. A unique network name and password will then display on the printer's screen. Navigate to your Realme phone's Wi-Fi settings, find and select this network, and enter the password. Your devices should connect swiftly. Ready for direct printing. Printer manufacturer apps often simplify the printing process and add extra functionality. Search for your specific printer brand's app on your phone's app store and install it. Once opened, the app will guide you through connecting to your printer, usually over your home Wi-Fi network. You might need to enter your Wi-Fi password once. These apps let you print documents, photos, and even check ink levels or scan directly from your device, offering a comprehensive printing experience. For a direct wired connection, consider using a universal serial bus on-the-go adapter. First, obtain an on-the-go adapter that fits your Realme phone's charging port. Connect your printer's standard universal serial bus cable to this adapter, then plug the adapter into your phone. Your Realme device should recognize the printer automatically. You might need to select a printing app or service on your phone, but this method ensures a stable, physical link for printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.